Hi friends, today we are preparing coastal spicy and tangy fish curry, that is mackerel pulimunchi. This goes amazing with rice. To prepare the pulimunchi, I am using 1 kg of mackerel. First let's clean the mackerel. Discard all the internal organs. Remove the scales if any present and cut it into 2 or 3 pieces as needed. We have cut all the fish, so let's add a little turmeric and a little salt into the vessel and add fish to it. Give this a mix and add water for cleaning the fish. If any black residues are left, clean that up. We change water typically 4 to 5 times for cleaning, that is, repeat until the water remains clean when added to fish. Now for the masala, I am adding 1 tablespoon of roasted coriander and mustard seeds, half tablespoon of roasted carom and fenugreek seeds, 8 to 10 black pepper, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 7 to 8 garlic pods, 1 onion, 1 large lemon-sized tamarind, 8 to 10 roasted Guntur red chilli, 8 roasted Byadgi red chilli, half cup grated coconut, water as needed and grind to fine paste. For the tadka, I have finely chopped 1 onion, sliced and cut 6 green chilies and finely chopped 2 in ginger. To a pan, I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil and few mustard seeds. The mustard seeds are sputtering, so let's add the chopped onion and let it fry. The onions are fried, so I am adding the masala and little water. Adjust the water based on the consistency needed. To this, I am adding 2 teaspoons salt, prepped green chilies and ginger. Let this boil. The masala is boiling. Let's add the cleaned fish and give it a mix. If possible, avoid using a spoon for mixing as the fish can easily break into pieces. Instead, gently twirl the vessel to mix. If you are not used to doing that, you may use spoon, just be gentle and careful. The fish is submerged in masala. Let's continue cooking this until the curry boils again on all sides, which takes another 5 to 10 minutes. The mackerel pulimunchi is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to the Home Kitchen. Bye!